Are you struggling to find how to make work easy as a video editor and also as a content creator? How to edit fast? What is the perfect music and sound effect for my video? How to create subtitles fast? How to stabilize shaky video without any heavy PC and software? After watching this video, all these problems are solved. In this video, we talk about AI websites that are best for video editors and content creators who create their own content by self. This saves lots of time and effort, so don't skip it. Watch the full video. All websites are best and have different uses, so let's start. Descript. This is my favorite site. I love this. It has lots of functions. We can do lots of things with this website. This is best for beginners, also creators who create content by themselves. Here is the functions. You can see first transcription, podcasting, screen recording, social clips and templates, overdub, studio sound, filter, word removal, subtitles and captions, and also publishing. So let's talk about all this. You can create subtitles with this automatically and fast. It is best if you are a YouTube creator. And maybe use it for some short movies, presentations, etc. You can just upload your video, it creates your subtitles. It also offers a screen recording. You can use this if you make tutorial videos like me. You can use this to capture your PC screen, and it also offers some editing features. Sometimes we spell words wrong or unwanted things. With Descript, you can solve this in a very easy way. It automatically detects words that are not right or breathing sounds and removes them from recordings. It is the easiest way to remove filler words from your recording. Descript is best for work faster and easier. Check the link in the description of this website. Jitter. This is a motion design website, which is browser-based. With a Jitter you can create motion designs, and you don't need a software or heavy PC. You can just choose a template and edit your text and download. It gives you so many options and offers you lots of templates for different platforms. You select your option and create a graphic animation without any heavy software. It also gives you backgrounds, logo animations, social media templates, and much more. Once you do all things, just simply choose your format and export your animation. And you can also check an Envato element, which is very popular for its high quality and professional templates. It offers multiple things including music, effects, website templates, stock footage, and much more. You don't need to go to any other place. Find all the things only here. Check now the link in the description. Neural.love. Neural.love is powered by AI online image, video, audio, and enhancement restoration. You can just upload your video or image. This is also art generate. You can see the here images. This is a live example of a video. It upscales to 4K resolution and also offers a facial restriction. The best thing about this, it is convert black and white video into color. So you don't need other software and any knowledge about complex things in other heavy software or PC. We just upload our video and get it colorful. It also offers an image and audio. So you can also try this. TinyWow. Next is TinyWow. This is amazing for video editors, which are spent a lot of hours cutting down useful footage from all data like 30-hour footage. You can only get a half hour of useful data. This website helps you to remove awkward and useless parts of footage with AI technology. You can export XML files for Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Import the timeline to continue editing. This website saves a lot of time. SoundDraw. If you try to find the perfect music for your video and you are not sure what it should be, then this website is best for you. With this website, you can create beautiful music with different types of genres, duration, instruments, etc. And I also recommend, you can also find the best music from the epidemic sound. It have lots of music and sound effects, different genres, moods, etc. Check the link in the description and get a 60-day free trial. Pixop. This is an AI website. It removes the noise of the footage. With Pixop we make sharpen, deblur, denoise, upscale, or change the frame rate of video. It remaster videos up to UHD 8K, and improve video quality with automated filters. It is best for low light shoot videos to enhance the qualities, and get the look more professional and cinematic. So next time you want to increase the quality of video, sharpen and denoise, then use this. TinyWow. TinyWow is handy tools to help you solve problems of all types. It is best convert site that I use. You can see here the different types of PDF options it provides you can use. And also for images, in Manipulate, you can see image resolution, ensure, crop images, blur the background, add text, etc. You can convert images to different formats and many options are available. You can check this all. You can remove a background of the image, Make a profile photo, resize image damnations, extract text from the image also. Same in the video section. Download videos, form social media, make GIFs, compress a video size, trim a video clip. You can convert MP4 to audio, convert video in different formats, and many other options you can check now. You can convert these types of files. These are other things you can do with the website. URL to JPG, URL tracker, create memes, etc. TinyWow support multiple types of formats, like image, PDF, video, audio, and much more. With TinyWow you do multiple things I can't explain in this short video. One thing you keep in mind is, all files both processed and unprocessed are deleted after 1 hour. The best thing is that, it provides free this all conversions. Check now this if you want a converter for your files. Splitter. Sometimes we like only the instruments of the song, and we don't need the back vocals of the singer. And this website helps you to do this thing. With a splitter, you can remove vocals from the song, and you can download music, and if you want only vocals, it allows isolate instruments from music. Stabilizer. The next website is Online Video Stabilizer. That stabilizes shaky video footage captured by you. You can quickly stabilize shaky videos online for free. With this tool, you just upload the video and it makes to shakes your video. It can take some time depending on the video file size and your internet speed. Now you don't need to worry about your bad cinematography. But you always try your best as a cameraman. All these are temporary solutions, sometimes they do not work very well.
Technology goes high and high. So why we don't get benefit from these? First try smarter, if failed then work harder.